Hi, welcome to another IWCS video. Today we're going to be looking at pairing your iriComm 3.0 wireless headset to your iriConnect and therefore through to the iriSound audio mixer. Let's take a look at it. So, like I said, today we're going to be talking about connecting your wireless iriComm 3 headset to the iriConnect here, which is connected to your iriSound audio mixer. We have one right behind this panel, and here we have our two iriConnects. So to start off with, you're going to want to turn on your headset and put that in pairing mode 2. You do that by putting the center button here, holding it down, and keep holding it down.
Power on, battery medium.
You'll hear that first audio command, power on, battery medium. Then it will say 1.
1, 2.
And then it says 2. When it says 2, you let go. You take your magnetic key, hold it to your iriConnect, blue light, green light, take it off. These two are now trying to pair. You'll see it's blinking blue at the back of the headset. It's blinking blue on the iriConnect. And then you wait for the audio command telling you that it is pairing or it is being paired. Once it is paired, then you need to wait further a little while.
Your device is connected.
There you go. So first it says your device is paired, then it says your device is connected. When it says connected, you're good to go. Blinking blue at the bottom of your device here, blinking blue on your iriConnect, everything is working perfectly. So you might ask yourself, okay, so my headset is paired to my iriConnect. What happens if I turn my headset off? Is it going to remember me? And the answer to that is yes. You can leave this headset off for days, come back on your vessel or in your vehicle, turn on your headset, and it will immediately pair to that iriConnect that it's set up to pair. Your headset remembers that iriConnect. Now, at some point, you might have put this headset away, used another headset which you've paired to this iriConnect, and then you want to go back to this headset again and pair it to this iriConnect. This headset will remember this iriConnect, and it will not allow you to do that knowing that it has been paired with something else. So you're going to want to do a master reset on this headset in that situation. So I'll show you how to do that. First, I'm going to turn off the headset.
Power off.
And then I'm going to turn it on again, go through all the commands all the way to 3, keep holding it down, and then it's going to give me a tone which tells me that the master reset has happened.
Power on, battery medium. 1, 2, 3.
So we've gone through all 3 wireless connection modes, and we're going to wait for the tone now. That was the tone. You look at the back, you see there's a green light. When you see that green light, you press your center button. Green light goes off. That means that your headset has gone through a master reset, and now you can again do a fresh connect to your iriConnect of choice. You can also see the iriConnect has now stopped blinking blue and is blinking green again, which means it's ready to receive something. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, then just leave a comment and we will answer you as best as we can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.